the legend is back and meaner than ever. Say hello to the 2026 Chevy Camaro Z28, a muscle car built not just to cruise, but to conquer. Chevrolet has officially brought the Z28 badge back, and this time, it's all about track-ready dominance. The 2026 Z28 slots above the SS and LT1 trims, blending raw American power with cutting-edge tech. Under the hood, we've got a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, punching out an estimated 540 horsepower and paired to a 6-speed manual or optional 10-speed automatic. And yes, it's rear-wheel drive only. Old-school thrills meet new-age refinement. This Camaro is a beast at first glance. From the aggressive front splitter and vented carbon fiber hood, to the wide-body fenders and massive rear diffuser, everything screams aerodynamics and aggression. The Z28 gets unique 20-inch lightweight forged wheels, a track-spec rear wing, an exclusive Z28 badging that subtly hints this isn't your average Camaro. Chevy also offers it in bold colors like Rally Redline, Apex Blue, and Phantom Black Metallic. Inside, it's function over frills. The Z28's cabin is driver-focused with Recaro performance seats, microfiber suede inserts, and Z28 branding stitched into the headrests. You'll get 12.3-inch digital cluster, performance data recorder, and a track mode UI. While it's minimalistic, features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 9-speaker Bose system come standard. Let's be honest, the Z28 isn't built for luxury cruising. It's firm, loud, and unapologetically raw. The magnetic ride control 4.0 dampers help smoothen out rough roads, but this is a car that constantly reminds you it belongs on a track. However, supportive seats, decent cabin insulation, and dual-zone climate control offer enough daily usability if you don't mind a little growl on your commute. This is where the Z28 shines. That 6.2 liters V8 is a naturally aspirated monster, delivering 0-60 miles per hour in under 3.7 seconds. The Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide fierce stopping power, while the limited slip differential keeps you planted on tight corners. It's lighter than the ZL1 thanks to carbon components and stripped interior weight, and the track-tuned suspension makes it more agile than ever. Whether it's autocross or weekend track day, this Camaro doesn't flinch. The 2026 Camaro Z28 is a love letter to pure driving enthusiasts. It's not about creature comforts or fuel economy, it's about feeling connected to the road, hearing the roar of that V8, and dominating the corners. With production of the Camaro set to end soon, the Z28 may very well be the last true muscle car of its kind. So if you're looking for something rare, raw, and track-hungry, this is it. Let us know in the comments. Say, would you choose the Z28 over the Mustang Dark Horse or Challenger Scat Pack? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more muscle car madness.